If you're building with AI and not using GitHub, what are you doing? Like, seriously, what are you doing? You're basically one mistake away from losing everything you've worked on. Make sure to bookmark this. I'm going to explain what GitHub is in simple terms. I'm also going to show you how easy it is to connect to with Lovable. So what actually is GitHub? I think the best way to explain it is it's like a save button on steroids. It stores all your project files online, and it tracks every change that you're making, creating this version history, and it also makes it super easy to work with others and collaborate on a project. So for this example, we're working in Lovable, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect to GitHub, create your GitHub project with Lovable. We're going to use this to-do list app I created, and if you actually go to the video before this, I walk you through step by step how easy it is to connect your backend with Supabase and authentication in a few clicks. Way easier than you think. One of the most foundational things you need to do when you're building with AI. So for this video, we're talking about GitHub. All you got to do is come up to this little icon and hit transfer project to GitHub, and make sure you already have a GitHub account. You'll need that. And all you have to do is say you want to create it in your organization. So it's going to start creating it. And the beauty is it does it all here in Lovable. I don't have to actually go over to GitHub and create the project. And you'll see here, that was just one click. This project is connected to my GitHub. And that's how easy it is. Literally, it's like one click and it created the project in GitHub. So now all my source code is there. I can see all the changes I'm making, and Lovable makes it super easy. Each change you're making, it's essentially tracking it in GitHub. So we can actually hit view in GitHub and we can see our project, and it's right here. You can see all of our files right here, and you can add some README details if you want to do that for any context for the project that you're working on. And you can make it public or private. If you make it public, anybody can clone the project and iterate it on their own. So now I want to demonstrate how it's actually tracking the changes. You see we have 6 commits here. So these are all the things I've been doing with Lovable, and it's picking them up retroactively, which is awesome as well. But let's actually make a change with Lovable and show that it's committing the change. And for this example, I'm going to do something really basic. Just update the design to be purple instead of blue. All right, you can see the design is now purple. I had to tell it twice. It actually updated this down here and not the logo. But if you come over here to the commits, I'm going to hit refresh, and you'll see the 2 changes that we actually did right here. And then if you click into it, you can actually see what was changed. So that is powerful for tracking and actually seeing what the heck AI is doing. But what's really cool is now that we have this connected to GitHub, if you come back over to Lovable and hit this history button right here, I can actually click on this, and you can see here restored, fixed, easy as that. We're back to our blue settings, and it's that simple. Whatever you screwed up or whatever AI screwed up, you click a button and you're back to where you were, instead of getting in this crazy doom loop of trying to fix what AI broke. Y'all, there's no better time to start building with AI and learning how to build with AI. Make sure to give me a follow so you can make it a little bit easier.